So I just bought this MacBook Pro with the M1 chipset. I finally got it and I'm a bit late on this. I have it now finally. This is the box you should get whenever you buy any sort of Mac laptop. It should be sealed complete like this, and Apple has this pull tab. So you can there it says MacBook Pro. This is the 512 gig variant. Finally got it. So now I'll open this. Hold on for a sec. There we go. There is the MacBook Pro, as you can see. And then here we have the, I've taken out the charger, and we have, you can see, but I do have the documentation. This has all of the warranty, Apple sticker, and other literature stuff. And now let's unwrap this. Now I have a hard shell cover on this already, and yes, I've already unboxed this. So now I can open this, show you that. And also I have a keyboard cover on this, and as well as a trackpad cover. It's a tempered glass something on the trackpad. I have this. Let me just show you the Cinebench. Yeah, and accept. And I'll run the multi-core test. And I'll come back when it's done. So as you can see, the Cinebench score is 7508, which is pretty good. And this thing is not even, it's barely warm, right? And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. My review on this will be coming soon, and I will also be comparing it with my MacBook Air 2017, which I used to use before this. So stay tuned for that and hit the subscribe button if you want to watch that video, and make sure to like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.